If you've been trying to export a CapCut video for free and you keep getting blocked by Pro features, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check your project for Pro elements, replace anything that requires a paid upgrade, and export your video in high quality without paying for CapCut Pro. This is a super useful workflow whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just saving a personal edit to your device. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your project in CapCut and take a close look at everything inside the timeline. Since you're using a free account, you need to make sure that no effects, filters, text styles, stickers, transitions or audio clips have the yellow Pro badge on them. That yellow badge is CapCut's way of telling you the element is locked behind a paid plan. If you leave even one Pro item in your project, CapCut may stop you from exporting for free and prompt you to upgrade instead. So go through your edit carefully from top to bottom. Check your effects, check your text, check your transitions, and even check your sound elements if you added music or audio assets from within CapCut. If you spot anything marked Pro, don't worry, you do not need to pay right away. Just click on that element and swap it out for a free alternative. For example, if a transition is Pro, replace it with a basic free transition. If a font style is Pro, choose a standard free font. If an effect is locked, remove it and use another effect that does not have the Pro badge. The key here is to make sure your entire project is fully free before you export. Once your timeline is clear of Pro features, it's time to move on to the export settings. Look for the Export button in the upper right corner of CapCut and click it. This opens the Export menu, where you can choose the resolution, format, and frame rate for your final video. For most users, 1080p is the best choice because it gives you a clean, high-quality result without making the file too large. If you're posting to social media or YouTube, 1080p is usually more than enough for a sharp and professional-looking export. Next, make sure the format is set to MP4. MP4 is the most compatible video format for phones, computers, and upload platforms, so it's the safest option for almost every project. After that, choose your frame rate. If your original footage was shot at 30 frames per second, then keep it at 30 frames per second. If you recorded your clips in 60 frames per second and want a smoother final export, choose 60 frames per second instead. Matching your export frame rate to your source footage helps keep the motion looking natural and avoids unnecessary quality issues. Once those settings are selected, do one final quick check to make sure there are no Pro warnings anywhere in the project. This is the best moment to catch any last-minute issue before the export starts. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Final Export button. CapCut will process the video and save it directly to your local device. Depending on the length of your video and the effects used, this may take a little time, so just let it finish rendering. When it's done, your video will be saved and ready to share, upload, or post anywhere you want. And that's it. That's how to export a CapCut video for free without upgrading to Pro. The most important part is making sure your edit contains no Pro-only elements before you export, and then using the right export settings like 1080p, MP4, and the correct frame rate. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.